We're at Clark Creek Natural Area, and it's time to hit those trails. This hike is a little challenging, but trust me, it's worth it. The further we go, the more these breathtaking waterfalls start to appear. Look at this beauty. Nature really outdid itself here. Feels like a secret paradise. If you're ever in the area, definitely take the time to explore. Your legs might hurt, but your soul will thank you. Let's keep chasing waterfalls, literally. Don't forget to follow me for more adventures.